Ferdinand Bol was a distinguished Dutch artist of the 17th century, deeply intertwined within the labyrinthine world of the Dutch Golden Age painting. His biography, much like his canvases, is layered with nuances, shadows, and light, reflecting the tumultuous yet vibrant era he inhabited. Born in Dordrecht, in the province of Holland, Bol was the son of a prosperous surgeon, who intended for him to follow in his medical footsteps. Yet, the allure of art, with its vivid colours and the promise of immortality, drew young Ferdinand in a different direction. This decision to pursue the life of an artist would set him on a path to becoming one of Rembrandt van Rijn's most accomplished pupils and an influential artist in his own right. Bol moved to Amsterdam in the early 1630s, a burgeoning hub of art and commerce, and it was here that his path would cross with Rembrandt. The exact date of their meeting remains uncertain, yet by the mid-1630s, Bol was working in Rembrandt's studio. Under Rembrandt's tutelage, Bol mastered the chiaroscuro technique, the dramatic interplay of light and shadow, and the psychological depth for which Rembrandt was famed. His early works are so reminiscent of his master's style that they were often mistaken for Rembrandt's own. However, Ferdinand Bol was not content to remain in Rembrandt's shadow. By the 1640s, he had established his own studio, taking on students and commissions. His work from this period demonstrates a gradual evolution from Rembrandt's influence towards a brighter palette and a more refined application of light, reflecting a broader shift within Dutch painting from the dramatic to the more delicately luminous. Bol's reputation grew rapidly, and he became known for his portraits, historical scenes, and biblical subjects. His ability to capture the essence of his sitters, combined with his skillful use of lighting, brought him to the attention of Amsterdam's elite. Notably, his works include portraits of Amsterdam's burgomasters, wealthy merchants, and naval heroes, which were highly praised for their elegance and vivacity. Among his most famous works is the series of paintings for the Admiralty of Amsterdam, celebrating Dutch naval victories against the English and the Spanish, showcasing Bol's adeptness at grand historical narratives filled with pomp and detailed precision. In 1652, Bol married Elizabeth Dell, whose dowry significantly enhanced his financial status. This union, however, was short-lived. Elizabeth passed away in 1660, and Bol remarried in 1669 to Anna van Urkel, with whom he had a son, also named Ferdinand. This period marked a shift in Bol's life. He gradually withdrew from the bustling art scene of Amsterdam to focus on his family and his role as a burgess, and later, a captain of the Civil Guard. Despite his retreat from public life, Bol continued to receive prestigious commissions. One of his most significant projects was the decoration of the new City Hall on Dam Square, now the Royal Palace of Amsterdam, where he painted grand allegorical ceiling pieces and wall decorations that still draw admiration for their beauty and complexity. By the 1660s and 1670s, Bol's style had fully matured, characterized by a harmonious blend of his early Rembrandtesque influences and his own lighter, more elegant approach. This period saw the creation of what are considered his masterpiece portraits, which capture the wealth and confidence of Amsterdam's ruling class with an unparalleled finesse. Ferdinand Bol's contribution to Dutch art did not merely lie in his paintings. He was an adept etcher, though his works in this medium were less prolific. His etchings, much like his paintings, were celebrated for their depth and sensitivity. In the twilight years of his life, Bol became more reclusive, dedicating his time to his family and his vast collection of art and antiquities. He passed away in Amsterdam in 1680, leaving behind a legacy that would influence generations of artists. His works, once overshadowed by those of his mentor Rembrandt, have gained recognition in their own right for their unique blend of drama and elegance, their technical mastery, and their insightful portrayal of the human condition. Ferdinand Bol's biography is a testament to the enduring power of apprenticeship, the evolution of an artist's personal style, and the importance of art in capturing the societal zeitgeist. His life and works offer a window into the Dutch Golden Age, a period marked by unprecedented prosperity, cultural achievements, and artistic flourishing. As we delve into his canvases, we not only see Bol's journey from pupil to master, but also the broader strokes, of a vibrant era that continues to captivate the imagination of the world.